Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a word that's all about strength, discipline, and determination: athlete. An athlete is a person trained in sports, whether they're running, swimming, playing basketball, or even competing in gymnastics. This word is perfect for describing anyone who dedicates themselves to physical activity and sports training. Let's talk about how we use athlete in everyday language. For example, you might say, Serena Williams is an incredible athlete who inspires millions of people. Or, it takes years of practice and commitment to become a professional athlete. You'll often hear this word when discussing sports events, teams, or individual performances. Now, let's explore some synonyms for athlete. Words like sportsman, sportswoman, or even competitor can often be used in similar contexts. For example, you could say, the sportsman trained hard to prepare for the competition. Or, every competitor in the race showed remarkable skill and endurance. On the flip side, let's look at some antonyms for athlete. Words like spectator, bystander, or non-participant can highlight the opposite idea. For instance, while the athletes performed on the field, the spectators cheered from the stands. Or, the non-participant chose to watch rather than join the game. How can you use athlete in everyday conversations? If you're talking about someone who's into fitness, you might say, my cousin is training to be an athlete and hopes to compete in the Olympics someday. Or, if you're watching a game, you might comment, the athletes in this match are incredibly skilled. It's also common to use this word in expressions like natural-born athlete to describe someone who is naturally talented in sports. Before we wrap up, let's hear a few more examples of athlete in sentences. The school is hosting a banquet to honor its top athletes. Every athlete dreams of winning a gold medal at the Olympics. She's not just an athlete, she's also an excellent role model for young people. That brings us to the end of today's episode. We've covered the meaning of athlete, looked at synonyms like sportsman and competitor, explored antonyms like spectator and non-participant, and shared plenty of examples for using athlete in conversation. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps more people discover the show. And here's your challenge. Create your own sentence using athlete and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning, and I'll see you soon on Hello Word.